Hello, you're on Fabrico channel. Today we are sewing Kylie's dress. The famous model and actress Kylie Jenner is the woman who inspires us. She wears the sexiest form-fitting dresses to her red carpet premieres. Dress Kylie is an asymmetric midi dress. It features one sleeve, a gathered seam, and a cut at the bottom. This pattern is designed for medium-density knitted fabrics. Using our pattern, you can sew the stylish dress by yourself. Let's get sewing. We will need patterns, fabric, tape interfacing, and sewing supplies. Stitch the waist darts on the back, making the darts smooth, and press to the center. Gather the left side cut on the front. To do this, stitch two parallel lines from the beginning of the side cut to the control point of the end of the gathered seam, until you reach the required size. Interface the cut allowances of the front and back with tape interfacing. Overlock the cut allowances from the end of the gathering to the bottom of the garment. Stitch the left side seam from the top point to the beginning of the cut. Press the seam in the gathered area to the back and press the cut allowances. Stitch along the cut allowances and press. Reinforce the shoulder section of the back. Overlock the shoulder seam and press the back seam allowance. Insert sleeve into the open armhole along the notches and sew it in with an overlocker. Press the seam to the sleeve. Sew the sleeve and side seam in one go, using an overlocker, and press the seam allowance to the back. Stitch the band into a ring using a sewing machine, then press the seam allowances. Fold the band in half and press it. Pin the band to the neckline, align all the control points and stitch with an overlocker. Press the seam to the side of the dress. Overlock the bottom of the dress and sleeves, press it on the wrong side and stitch along the seam allowance. Give the garment a final press. Share the results of your work and don't forget to tag us on social networks.